ever pondered the magic of zero install? Even if you haven't, today's your lucky day as we're about to unravel this enigma. Imagine a universe where software installation is as easy as a walk in the park, eliminating the need for manual downloads or updates. That's the sheer brilliance of zero install, an awe-inspiring software distribution system designed with the sole aim of simplifying your life. In the vast cosmos of IT, zero install isn't just a player, it's a game changer. It orchestrates a streamlined process that saves you time, effort, and let's not forget, the unnecessary stress. Now, who wouldn't fall for such convenience? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Zero install boasts a rich and intriguing history, brimming with unexpected twists, turns, and a plethora of intriguing facts that we're bursting to share. Its significance extends to simplifying complex IT processes, making it an indispensable tool in the realm. It has single-handedly revolutionized the way we view software installation and updates, giving an edge like no other. So, are you geared up to plunge into the captivating world of zero install? Stay tuned. The fascinating history and trailblazing importance of zero install awaits. Zero install is more than just a name or a software management system. It is an epitome of great versatility and efficiency. It's a unique solution to a challenging problem, streamlining the process of software installation and updates. Traditional installation hassles are a thing of the past, as fetches the latest program version directly from the web, running it seamlessly and saving you precious time. There's no need to fret over installation or updates. Zero install handles you with an unparalleled proficiency. Designed with security as its cornerstone, it sandboxes programs, effectively neutralizing potential threats and software conflicts. Zero install works efficiently across various operating systems, optimizing hard drive, which proves to be a boon, especially for IT students and professionals. Apart from these pragmatic benefits, zero install also supports both the graphical user and command line interface, exhibiting its versatility and catering to all user needs. What makes it stand out, however, is its decentralized nature. It encourages an open software ecosystem, fostering a diverse and innovative environment for development. But the greatest advantage of zero install is its simplicity. Nature allows IT students and professionals to focus on their tasks, not software-related issues, thereby enhancing productivity. Zero install, then, goes beyond being just a software management system. The user experience amplifies security and significantly contributes to fostering a diverse software ecosystem. Let's delve deeper and explore some fascinating facts about this versatile and efficient system that is. Zero install is not your ordinary software management system. There are some interesting facts that make it unique. Let's dive right in. Fact 1. Zero install was created by a British software developer named Thomas Leonard. Leonard was frustrated with the complexity of software installation on Linux and decided to create a system that simplifies the process. Enter zero install. Fact 2. Zero install is not just for Linux. It's a cross-platform system, meaning it can be used on multiple operating systems, including Windows and macOS. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for software developers and users alike. Fact 3. Zero install doesn't actually install software. Yes, you heard that right. It's a decentralized software distribution system that allows you to run software directly from the web without physically installing it on your machine. It's as if your software is always on a cloud, ready to be used whenever and wherever you need it. Fact 4. Zero install utilizes a unique caching system. Once you've run a program using zero install, it's stored in your cache and can be accessed even when you're offline. This means you can use your favorite programs even when you're not connected to the internet. Fact 5. Zero install is all about security. It uses digital signatures to ensure that the software you're running is exactly what the developer intended. This means you can run software from the web without worrying about malicious code. Fact 6. Zero install is open source. This means that anyone can view and modify its source code, contributing to its development and improvement. This openness fosters a community of developers committed to maintaining and enhancing zero install. Fact 7. Zero install supports dependency resolution. This means that if a program you want to run requires another program to function, zero install will automatically download and run the required program for you. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all the technical details for you. Fact 8. Zero install is not just for developers. It's user-friendly and designed to be easy for anyone to use, regardless of their technical knowledge. So whether you're a seasoned developer or a casual user, Zero Install has got you covered. Fact 9. Zero Install is future-proof. Its modular design and open-source nature mean that it can adapt and evolve with the changing landscape of software development. As long as there's software to be run, Zero Install will be there to make it as easy as possible. And finally, Fact 10. Zero Install has been adopted by major IT companies. Companies like SourceForge and GitHub have integrated Zero Install into their platforms, recognizing its value in simplifying software distribution and use. These fascinating facts make Zero Install a marvel in the IT industry. But what's the takeaway from all this? Zero Install is more than just a software management system. It's a testament to the power of innovation. We've journeyed through its inception, understanding its essence, and delving into some of the fascinating facts that make it a standout in the realm of IT. Its history is rich, etched with the marks of ingenious minds striving for a more efficient and user-friendly software management solution. The functionality of Zero Install simplifies software management, an attribute that is particularly beneficial to IT students. It's not just about managing software, but about creating a seamless and straightforward user experience. The 10 facts we covered only scratch the surface of the depth and complexity of Zero Install. So, the next time someone asks you about Zero Install, you'll have a wealth of knowledge to share. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the fascinating world of IT. Until next time.